हाँ जी एंड वेलकम बैक। आज एक नया फॉर्मेट लेके आए हैं, मैं हूँ और मेरे बॉयज हैं एंड वी आर गोना टॉक अबाउट फुटबॉल। सबसे पहली वीडियो जो है वी आर गोना टॉक अबाउट द 10 बेस्ट प्रीमियर लीग प्लेयर्स दिस सीजन। सो पैनल से मैं ज़रा इंट्रोडक्शन करवा दूँ आपका, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द राइट मोस्ट मुश्तबा खान, अ मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड फैन।
Hell yeah.
क्या हो रहा
Hell yeah.
Sitting next to him is Waleed Masood Khan, he's a Liverpool fan. और
क्या कुछ कहना चाह रहे थे?
बस यार लिवरपूल
कोई नहीं,
we're going
हो जाएगा, टॉप 4 आ जाओ।
we'll get there
चेल्सी को कर
we'll
दोगे
get there bro
तो टेंशन ना ले।
let's move on
sitting to my left is Zakaria Agha, he's a Liverpool fan and CEO of Ticketo.
If you want to attend events in Pakistan, download Ticketo. It's available on the App Store and Play Store.
और link is in the description. और उसके लेफ्ट पे
Support your own.
सपोर्ट योर ओन
Homegrown.
सपोर्ट योर ओन। हाँ, और उससे लेफ्ट पे है तारिक अब्दुल रहमान, who is an AC Milan fan,
I'm here for the stats.
the stat guy. And next to him is Abu Bakr Agha, who is a Chelsea fan and has his own podcast Thoughts at 30. उसका भी लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है. So basically सारे बॉयज हैं, कोई 8-10 उन्होंने अपनी टॉप 10 प्रीमियर लीग प्लेयर्स की रैंकिंग्स भेजी. So the first player is worth 20 points, जो second पे है that's ranked 18 points. सारे points accumulate किए और उस हिसाब से best player top 10 players in the Premier League this season बने. So let's start off guys. Number 10 पे है Jamie Vardy.
What?
How did Jamie
Jamie Vardy?
Can you say that again?
Jamie Vardy.
Bullshit.
Wait, wait,
no let's
wait.
let's
Did
get
I
this
have
right.
him? Did I have him? Did I have him in my list?
You did, yes, you did. At 7th.
Fair. That's fair. He's had a great season with Leicester.
Yeah, he has had a
He's
great
it's a
season.
great season.
He's
He's
the
a baller.
spirit of Leicester.
He's a baller. लेकिन
Spirit
ये
of
है कि
Leicester.
top 10 में I don't think he comes there, but I don't know how he got there.
Who are you to say that, huh? कौन हो तुम?
I think they're 10 better
I
players than
think
him.
that-
They're 10 better players than him.
I think he's definitely not in the top 10 players in the league.
You had him in your list?
No,
नहीं,
he's
he
not.
did.
Actually, that's good. That's fine. Yeah.
But he's like his honorable mention now. So he's like 11, 12. He's right around there. He's hanging
Top 10
around.
last season, but not
No,
this
he's
season.
an honorable mention. He's right.
So basically, Tariq, Mujtaba, and Mani and Sherry had him in their team.
Yeah.
I think it's fair. Leicester are third in the league, and Jamie Vardy is.
Leicester.
And you can't always go on stats as
Third,
well.
right?
you
yeah,
know?
but
Well, he's getting back to his form that he had
Exactly,
when they won
and,
the league.
you know, a
So-
lot of people just discredit a lot of off-the-ball stuff that he does,
Exactly,
the
yeah.
runs that he makes.
Consistent players tend to get overlooked really easily. When,
No.
when someone's
Exactly.
doing it every season.
Start as well, like he scored a couple of goals.
he would have 100% been my top 10 last season, but I think there's been 10 better players than him this season.
Last season. Why last season?
Why do we have him?
I thought he played better last season. And like, they're just 10 better players this
Chelsea
season.
boy.
Yeah,
He could still be on the same level, but if they're 10 better players,
Acha, moving on to the 9th player, it's Son. Heung-min Son.
sure.
Listen,
Banta hai.
I didn't.
बनता है.
नहीं बनता है देखो बनता है ठीक है I understand why he's there but I didn't have him in my list
I didn't either.
I didn't have him in my
Okay,
list
that's
because I thought
why do you
same
touch
with
your
Vardy.
heart every time you say
Same
my
with
list?
Vardy honorable mention but there have been 10 better players than him
Acha, so Waleed, Tariq, Mujtaba, and Sherry didn't have him in their team. बाकी सारों की टीम में थे.
I think that says
how high
enough.
was he in all these
Yeah, the highest he got was 5th, जो कि मानी
and
ने
he
दिया
made
था.
top 10
हाँ, तो बाकियों की भी में थे ना.
I had him number 9.
You had him 8th.
8th, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah.
Yeah.
Fair enough.
I had him
Oh,
10th.
man.
He's another one of those consistent players that just get overlooked because
Absolutely.
he never drops. He always gives you 8 out of 10.
Yeah.
और स्पेशली इस सीजन क्योंकि केन और सन ही है बेसिकली परफॉर्म उन्होंने किया टॉटनहम की तरफ से.
Yeah, he
So,
created a lot of goals, all the effort,
Yeah,
defensively, backtracking and everything.
नंबर
He's
9
already
पे बनता है
Exactly.
ऑल दो पता
I think
नहीं.
he's just really important for
Make
the
up
way
your mind,
Dortmund
dude.
plays.
What do you mean? He's a proper baller.
contradictory
but I
Waleed's
just
right
think,
here.
Wow, man! I just think there
Again,
are 10 better players, but he's a
if he
proper
was,
baller.
let me ask you, if he wasn't in the team, do you think you'd expect Tottenham to still be where they are, like winning?
Definitely
Absolutely
not.
not.
Definitely
No.
not. Definitely not. I
No,
think they'd be out of the
absolutely
top
not.
10. I think they'd be
I
out
think
of the
they
top
might
10.
be.
You know, especially when Kane was injured
who
as
did
well.
replace Lucas Moura?
I mean,
You have to
Lucas
understand,
Moura
Kane
hasn't
was injured
Son levels,
mo-
but he's good, and surely they
No,
could
he's
have gotten
Son
him.
is world class.
Yeah.
level.
Yeah, no, I'm saying
one's
Son is
denying
world
that.
class,
No one's
but
denying
in
that.
this season, I think there were 10
They're-
better
same-
players.
same
He
here,
carried the
that's
team when
why.
Kane wasn't around. So, you know.
Tariq, you
They
had
definitely
Emi
will.
Martinez at 10th.
Oh dear.
Because
No, but I feel you. No,
Shut
I
up,
get you.
shut up. You don't deserve to talk. Take that mic away from that man. Take that mic away from that man.
Hello.
मेरे बात सुनो, मेरे बात सुनो,
Listen,
मेरे बात,
hear him
okay,
out.
calm down.
Calm down, guys. Calm down.
Clean sheets.
Every
Talk about
other
his performances.
keeper, when a keeper leaves
I'm
a
serious,
big
bro.
club, I mean Arsenal, big club, but like when, when a keeper leaves a big club, usually
Yeah.
they just get written off. ठीक है ना?
I agree with you. Yeah.
They're like,
Completely.
acha, he's just this other keeper who's gone. He went to Aston Villa and he's had the
Bro, I
best
think they're
record
leading,
for a
they're
goalkeeper.
leading assist start, clean sheet starts.
I'm not sure.
Can you check?
Yeah.
Stats guy.
Can you check?
Check.
No,
No.
I think the second.
They are leading. But he's been a great keeper. That's why I had him at
Second होगी.
I think
Edison would be first.
And he's a big part of it.
Yeah.
The defense back line.
खैर मार्टिनेज की हम क्यों बात कर रहे हैं, bro?
Yeah, why
No,
not?
no, no, he's not
Like
even
an
there.
point.
No, no, hear him out.
No, but
I have no goalkeepers in mind. I feel like that's a good point because
yeah, that is a good point.
Yeah.
anyone else have a goalkeeper?
नहीं.
No.
Only
So
Tariq.
I feel like it's,
No, it's good.
I might have overlooked that.
Yeah, but he didn't make
So
the cut, so we're
where
not
were
going to
we?
talk about it.
अब number 9 थे, अब number 8 पे जा रहे हैं. Number 8 is Thomas Soucek. मैं हमेशा गलत नाम बोलता हूँ उसका.
Understand?
I didn't have him, and I think Declan Rice is playing better than him in West Ham. But
No, he is not.
fair man,
No, he is not.
fair.
How many goals?
I had
Soucek got? 9
Declan
goals,
Rice
8 goals.
in my
How many
top
goals
He's
he
got more than that, I feel.
Well,
No, that's
he's their
more
top
than
scorer
है.
from
No,
DM.
he's
You're
playing
just
great.
biased, dude.
And
like,
West Ham is like they're overachieving. I think we can all agree.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
My,
Moyes.
if they're top scorer, there has to be in the top 10.
Yeah, of course.
If a team is
think
overachieving
चला
so
गया?
much,
Shukar है, चला
who would you
गया.
take?
I don't think
Ah,
Navy
no.
fans should be speaking of Moyes or Van Gaal or
That's also
any
a good
other
point.
manager.
What team do you support?
I think
AC
United
Milan.
shouldn't be.
Yeah, you
speaking
shouldn't be here.
if a
But
team is
Soucek
over,
definitely deserves it.
Yeah.
He does definitely deserve it. I think that
Tariq
Rice
had
is
him
a
at
bit-
first.
I had him at
for
first.
sure, I agree
The
with
reason
you.
because
No, not
he's
at
not
first.
the best
First
player
is
in
a
the
bit
league.
too much.
It's too much. Yeah, yeah.
if you're a neutral, looking at
You're
the
walking
Premier
on
League,
thin ice, Tariq.
You're not watching West Ham games. So
exactly, you're
I don't
not.
think any of us watches West Ham games.
You're making his point
I
for
know
him.
Declan
Exactly,
Rice.
you're
A
not
bit.
watching West Ham games,
Dude, come
but
on,
they're
Soucek.
in the Champions
Better
League.
than
Liverpool.
Rice, though.
No, he's not.
So they deserve that, like especially Soucek.
I feel like if West Ham were second or first, I'd agree with you, but I'm gonna put him.
just
above
being the
Moyes.
best player in the league takes a lot.
थोड़ा सा है,
Yeah.
लेकिन
Yeah.
I feel you, man. I feel
He's
you.
in the
Listen,
conversation,
Declan-
which means top 10. That's
Listen,
fair.
Declan Rice hasn't been performing
Can you
numbers wise.
stop talking
He
about
can't.
Rice?
But
He's
I
not
feel like
even
he
in the
should have
list.
been there. No, he should have been there instead of Soucek.
Yeah, you're just biased, dude. Like,
I don't know.
Only you had Declan Rice in there. Top 10 में. सिर्फ तुम. हाँ. Huh? How many had him in the list? I had him. Tariq had him. You had him. Behram had him.
4.
West Ham, there's no one carrying the team, but they've all been a collective unit and playing their parts.
But you can say he's been their best player, right?
Who? Soucek?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You could, but I'd say
no,
Declan
not he.
Rice.
Everyone else is
I
agreeing
know,
as well. So yeah, it's
I
just
think
you.
Declan
Yeah.
Rice is a baller.
If a team is overachieving
No, he is a
so
baller,
much,
but he's this season he's
Top scorer भी है यार. Midfield से यार.
West Ham didn't
and
make
he's not
my
even.
list. It was
He's
just
kind of a
different one.
DMC. It's not even like a 10 or anything.
Moving on to number 7, we've got Jack Grealish.
100%.
Wrong, man. Why is he 7th?
Oh, 7th. We can.
Why is he 7th?
Okay,
Are
but
you
at
saying
least
he should be
Yeah.
higher?
He should
Yeah,
be
he
top
should-
3.
I agree.
Top
I
three.
had him.
definitely
I had him
not top
third.
three.
I had him third as
Definitely
well.
He's top 3.
But
You
I-
didn't even have him on your list.
No, that's what I'm saying. At
exactly,
least
exactly.
What do you mean?
It's not top
We-
three.
Please, no.
We can
Let's
all
talk.
agree-
He has to talk. He has to talk because he didn't even have Jack Grealish
Yeah,
in his
but
list.
I don't think he's
Please
deserving.
explain
That's
yourself.
it. But it's my personal opinion. I don't think he's deserving. He's not
Explain
deserving.
yourself. Give
Come
your
on, I
crowd-
don't need to
can we
explain
all at
myself.
least agree?
I don't
Can we
think
all
he's
at least
good
agree?
enough. Aston Villa are what, 9th?
Why are they? No, why are they 9th? Because
There are
he's
a lot
been
of
injured
other
for
players.
2 months.
No, you need to understand there are a lot of other players in other teams that are doing much better and they're performing at a level. So I would put them on there, not Jack Grealish. Like, it's my personal opinion.
Does anybody else think he shouldn't be in the top 10 at all, except him?
Yes.
No, but why
You
is
don't
he
think he should be
7th?
Yeah.
top 10 either?
There you go.
He was amazing in the first half of the season. I don't think he was that great in
Yeah.
the second
Bro,
half.
he's been injured.
It doesn't matter.
So a part of being a
That's
good
why-
player,
I didn't
part of
injure
being
him,
a
man.
good player is actually playing there as well, right? Part of being a good player is actually playing
No,
games
but
as well.
Lekin-
You can't be
Lekin-
injured and be the
You're
best player.
contradicting yourself because you have Ndidi in there.
That's
And he was injured for half of the season. He was injured for half of the season.
Respect, bro.
indeed,
Come on.
respect
indeed
him.
He's good,
Yeah.
but
I think Jack
Jack
Grealish
Grealish deserves it.
is certainly one of the best players in the league this season.
think
I
One
would
of the
say
best
Three.
players in the
Top
league,
three.
definitely not top 10.
he's
Nah.
carrying
According
his
to me.
team.
Top 3.
Matlab, half of most of Aston Villa's attack is Jack Grealish.
Yeah.
And he's been injured, and they've dropped from what?
They're not
fifth,
really
sixth
fighting for
to-
fourth either,
to
you know.
ninth,
You need to
ninth.
understand that. They're
Yeah.
ninth, and what are they? 10th, 9th. Yeah,
Jack
exactly.
Grealish is
Like,
performing on the pitch. The numbers are showing. The play is showing. There's nobody to discount him.
yeah,
you
know,
can
but
argue
like,
top 3,
if,
top 5.
If Villa was actually, you know, his price tags United were linked to him, they were asking for about 100 million or something, 80, 90 million. If he was taking the team to perhaps fourth place, was somewhere around West Ham, I would
But
be
he
like,
was.
okay,
He was
yeah.
taking
Bro,
his team to
I've
fourth
cracked
place.
the code. I've cracked the code. I know why he's not in his list. He didn't sign for United, that's why.
Jack Grealish,
Anyways.
even in the
Yeah.
couple games he played for the national team, he made a huge difference.
But
there.
then, you know,
can
if he
tell
was in
someone's a class
United,
above.
but if he was in United, right, and they would be perhaps like first, second, somewhere around.
Perhaps first.
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, so okay, yeah, then he deserves
The
it,
thing
right?
is, he is a very rare sort of player that sort of carries the ball, picks it up deep, brings it forward, and then to do that in a team like Aston Villa, where he doesn't have the support around him always, is something special. I think.
Yeah, he's a great player, no one's
but
denying
just-
that,
just
yeah.
if you look at the entire season, and aside from that 7-2 Liverpool match, I just had to.
What do you mean aside?
Yeah.
Why not in that match? I think he
Oh,
played
yeah,
really
in that
good.
match actually,
He
that's
played
a
really
good point.
good.
Yeah, he played amazing.
Bakar,
So
can
that
you
was in the
play-
first half of the season.
No, in the second half he's been playing pretty well as well.
No, not too great.
You didn't have him in
Anyways.
top 10. Anyways.
Yeah.
Well, there's a difference here. There's people don't have him top 10, and there's people who have him, but we have him top 3.
Yeah.
Nahin. So you had him second, Waleed had him second, and
Second,
Essen had him third. Baki sare 8th, 9th, 10th.
Who did not have
But
him?
he's there
Tariq,
most of the
Tariq
time.
and
I don't
Mustafa
have
didn't
him.
have him.
Harsh.
Yeah, harsh.
Very harsh.
Too harsh.
Sorry, Essen.
Shout out, Ashton.
Next.
Acha, next hai number 6, Mo Salah.
Definitely.
Definitely,
Yes,
definitely.
fair.
Fair.
I'm fine with 6.
Did everyone have him in there?
Nahin, Mani didn't, obviously.
Naturally.
Mani didn't, and Tariq didn't.
Acha, ek
Wow.
minute.
Wait.
Okay, एक minute.
Listen.
Let him
Explain
explain how the top scorer in the league is not one of the best. Yes, sir, you
Top
may
scorer for
continue.
3
Please
seasons.
elaborate.
I rate players based on their impact during the season for their club. Liverpool is what? Fifth. Okay.
Without Salah, we are 17th.
Relegated probably.
Yeah,
Whatever.
for sure.
Okay, but I think my bias was that Salah has spoiled us with his performances over the last 3 seasons. He's been amazing. So even like 18 goals or 19 goals, whatever he has, I think it's average for him compared to what he could.
Can I
But
say
he's not
like-
competing with himself.
I-
Tariq.
I-
He's competing
I
to be
know.
a top
I'd
10.
like
So
to-
this is my
I
personal.
like
rating
to
on
add
You're
something
understanding
to
the bias yourself and still
Yeah,
suffer.
I'd like to add
Yeah.
something to
for
it. I just want to say something. Just understand the magnitude that he's saving a club like Liverpool from relegation. Just let that sink in. Just let that sink in. And you know he deserves the 6th spot.
You have Bamford in there ahead of Salah. Ahead of Salah. He's been great. He's been great. He's been great. Lekin Salah.
Salah, I don't know, man.
Bamford is
Bro, I think you should stick to watching the series.
Just out of curiosity, who do you support in the Premier League, by the way?
Sometimes Liverpool, sometimes
United.
any other club.
Come on, say it.
Okay.
Acha. Let's move on. Everyone agrees Salah should be 6th, except for
Yeah, except
Tariq,
Tariq.
obviously. Number 5 is Ruben Diaz.
For
Yeah,
sure.
fair,
For
man,
sure.
fair.
I think
100%.
5th is too low for him though.
Well,
No, but
I
I think
think
top
so
top
too.
3 में
You
आता
know,
है मेरे
Fifth at least.
You know,
What position? You had him at 4th.
I had him at 4th first of all. Because you need to understand that City this season hasn't been free scoring like they used to, and the defense is the most important part. And he's making Stones play better, and defensively they're like excellent. How many goals have they conceded?
I don't know.
Okay,
but-
least in the league.
Yeah, so definitely.
No, but I'd like to add to that as well. He's right about making Stones better because people have this thing. I don't know if you guys agree or don't, but
Yeah.
Stones hasn't been as good alone,
Absolutely.
and Ruben Diaz has been a huge part to
Bucker
it.
had,
So I don't
I
think
Bucker
had
had
Stones,
Stones
but
at
like,
7,
but like you know,
and Mani had Stones.
Yeah,
as
he's
well.
but-
improved. Stones has improved. He's a
Yeah.
massively improved player.
but a lot of but
I
players,
think it's more
players
to do with
improve,
Diaz.
Players improve sometimes. Like another, like we don't know what Ruben Diaz would have been without Stones either. So they could be improving each other at the same time. You can't discredit John Stones' performance and just put it up to Diaz.
I mean,
he could have just improved his game on his own too. He could have just trained better.
We know how John
The
Stones is
reason
without
why
Diaz.
probably we put it that way is because Stones has been there a longer time than Diaz,
And
and they've had pretty horrible defensive seasons in the last time when Stones was there. Like when Laporte was out, when Company was out, Stones didn't pick up that slack.
I think 19-20 का ही फर्क है. Almost everyone has him in there, right? Does anyone not have Diaz at all?
Diaz, Behram didn't have him,
Wow.
Essen didn't have him,
Wow.
and Sherry didn't have him. खैर Sherry को तो रहने दो क्योंकि he had Saka in there, Tierney in there, Oba in there.
Yeah, but that's the whole point of the
Aubameyang
list,
in
you know,
there?
like
Sherry है.
variating opinions. That's good.
खैर Sherry का number 1 was interesting. Jordan Pickford.
No way.
Okay, fine. Yeah, he did that on purpose.
खैर नहीं, he put in KDB/Pickford.
I think
with you.
as just
Yeah.
honorable mention, you just put Pickford at number 1. I think.
Liverpool fans look away
Trolling
now.
him when he's not around.
अच्छा जी, number 4, Ilkay Gundogan.
100%.
100%.
We're all happy with that.
Incredible season.
I think this season he's carrying City.
He's
And
not
the
carrying
thing is-
City.
The thing with Gundogan is
He's a
he's
passenger on a runaway train, if anything.
Nah,
Been, no,
he's
he's
like-
not. No,
He's not a
won't say-
passenger on anything.
He's not a
Nah,
passenger.
he's
but
Well, I mean, like
he's not a
they're all
passenger.
doing it
Definitely
together,
not.
not a
He's
passenger.
no,
he's
he's
definitely
been
an
a
important
part of
player.
it.
He's been a
He's
crucial
been-
part.
He's
of it.
been probably their best.
Probably his
offensive
best
player.
season since Dortmund, for sure. Yeah.
No, and the thing with Gundogan is he's been consistently performing 7 out of 10, 8 out of 10s throughout his career. But this season he's just reached that
Added-
9, 10.
added goals to it,
Exactly,
right?
added goals,
I don't
9,
know.
10 out of 10.
City कैसे करती है, but they seem to have a new guy shine every year. किसी साल Bernardo Silva
And
का साल
injury-wise,
होता है,
he's
किसी
done
साल
well
होता
as
है.
well.
Exactly,
He's
yeah.
stayed
Sterling
injury-free.
Exactly,
Yeah,
that's a good point as
that's
well.
very
Keeping
rare
himself
that
fit.
keeping Gundogan
And,
injury-free.
and he's come at a time when Sterling, Aguero, Jesus, they've all lacked goals this
Yeah.
season, and he's picked up like what I think double-digit goals.
Yeah,
this
double-digit
season.
goals.
Double. I think he has 12 goals, and
Yeah.
him and Diaz are two.
He's
single
the highest
most
goal
people
scorer in
responsible.
2021.
Wow,
Yeah.
wow.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
insane. So that speaks volumes. He's fine. Yeah,
Yeah,
fourth is
midfielder.
good. Fair
And
enough.
important goals, he scored late goals as
Yeah.
well.
Yeah.
Coming from
Winners.
midfield.
और उसके अलावा you know that most of his game isn't goal scoring. You know उसके अलावा कितना contribute कर रहा है.
हाँ. So सिर्फ Sherry didn't have him. Apart from him, I had him at first, and Behram had him at first.
Yeah.
So
Even that is fair.
Yeah,
Gundogan has been brilliant. Number 3 पे चले?
Yeah.
चलो.
let's go.
KDB.
Banta.
man.
Fair.
सही है.
Wonder,
Fair.
that's fair. Yeah.
Fair.
Bro, KDB is.
So if you look at the stats, and if you see Gundogan, he has double-digit goals. You'll see KDB has double-digit assists, and that's
Yeah.
like people say normal for him.
Stat
but this
guy.
season, this season,
Yes, sir.
like, those two like have it's
No,
it's been
but,
perfect.
but football isn't all about stats, and Kevin De Bruyne brings so much
Yeah.
more to the table than
Agreed.
stats as well. Because when you watch him play, you're in awe every time.
This-
Another midfielder who might be ahead of
He's
him
breaking
in this
into
list.
tears. If you're listening-
Would-
if you're hearing
He
this-
doesn't break,
if you're hearing this
but-
just on audio,
No,
he's
no.
breaking into tears.
I
Listen. That certain midfielder who I think is above him.
Yeah.
I think he is. Yeah.
Yeah.
He will be
Yeah.
because of his penalties. But but it's fair. Like it's fine. You know, you can place him however you want. Kevin De Bruyne this season, Bruno Fernandes might be playing better than him. But Kevin De Bruyne is the best midfielder in the world.
Yeah, I'd like to close in on this, that on sheer talent, if you just talk about footballing ability and leave everything aside, I think KDB is the best player in the Premier League. However,
100%.
this season,
That is
I
a-
agree completely.
a strange point to make. What do you
Yeah,
mean?
however-
How are you judging someone on sheer talent?
just talent on the pitch, like his
So
footballing
there's a
ability.
million players you can.
वो चाह रहा है तो Mason Mount को बोलो.
नहीं चाह रहे यार मेसन माउंट चेल्सी किधर है
Wait,
भाई?
wait
तुम ना
a
आया करो
second.
बीच में.
Mason Mount. We're top 2 now, right?
No.
Next time.
Well,
Mount-
he's clearly
No
not.
Chelsea player.
Mount-
Didn't make the cut.
Mount was 11.
No Chelsea player deserved to be there because they are
Wow.
shite.
I'm
No,
not
I
saying-
had him.
But
No,
yeah,
I
yeah,
had
for
Mason
sure.
Mount 10.
I'm not
I think
talking
Mason
about Chelsea
Mount has
players
been-
compared to Kevin De Bruyne, but just to say that he's
Yeah.
obviously the best player based off of pure talent I don't think it's a fair claim just to discount everybody else.
No,
Senti to na ho
his
yaar.
performance is
ठीक है.
No, Bucket-
वो भी बेचारा खेलने
Yeah,
आया है.
yeah.
ठीक है.
his performance is, his passes, his ability, his tracking back, his goals, everything is just pure class. His free kick ability, everything. But
And as a leader too, like he can captain.
Oh,
he's
yeah,
growing
definitely.
into it. Like over the past couple of seasons,
I don't
he's
think
growing
he's
into
shown
it.
anything in his career that proves that has leadership qualities or anything.
No,
nor
that's
has he,
that's
nor
what I'm
has
saying.
he,
He's
nor has he
improving.
grabbed a game by
Kiतनी
the.
दफा he drags मतलब
When?
City
When
से
has he
drags
dragged?
This
drags-
season,
And
this
also-
season he
yeah.
has to.
I've seen him many times when City, especially in the Champions League games, like if you watch what happened against Lyon, for example, he shuts down everybody else. He doesn't drag them, doesn't grab the game by the scruff of the neck and be like, let's do this. And maybe he has it in him, but to
Bro,
say
you're
he's already
mad.
done it.
I don't know
But
what
you
you
see-
see. I
he's
don't know
done
what
it.
you see.
But
Where,
you-
where
you
has
know-
he
I don't
been?
know what you
That's
see.
Where
because-
has he been in the
You're
Champions
mad.
League?
No one lets him speak.
You don't
Put it that
see a
mean.
lot of things.
Yeah.
You know,
No,
he does the little things right.
He does little things, right?
He
He's
does
a-
the
he's
little
an
things right that go unnoticed, and people like you, like जो के ऊपर से score
Who are
line the
obsessed with
highlights,
stats.
highlights
Stats,
देख रहे होते हैं.
highlights
They
are,
don't.
yeah.
He does them right, and you know, I'm a stern supporter of Fernandez. But however, if you
And
just
he's
speak
a
on
United
it,
supporter.
and I'm a United
See,
fan.
there
I
you
would
go.
never
There
say.
you go.
But
He also had
honestly.
Vardy in the list, so let's just focus on that too.
So Vardy's been good.
Oh,
man.
and you
No,
have
no,
Mount
no,
on
let's
it.
talk. Let's talk about.
Yeah, and
Let's
Didi
talk
on the
about
list
Mason
too.
Mount, Bakar.
Listen. I'm a fan of Kevin De Bruyne, and I
Yes,
feel like
you are.
he's probably in the top 2-3 midfielders in the world. But
So
that
it's
does
fair.
not mean I'm going to put him above other players as an obvious point.
No, if you come
Like
up
the
with
way-
some
the way-
player who you think is talent-wise more than him, just
I would
on his
say
football.
I would say Bruno Fernandes. I
No.
would say he.
No.
I would
Nah,
say
man, what's
how
wrong
are
with
we
you?
ranking their talents?
Okay,
then?
we'll talk about Bruno
How we
Fernandes
ra-
when his time comes.
Yeah.
But
No, but
let's-
when you say he's better
we
on talent,
will
नेक्स्ट
talk
पे
about
चलते
it.
हैं.
Yeah,
मैं
we'll-
जरा माउंट की बात करना चाह रहा था. बेसिकली सिर्फ 3 चेल्सी बॉयज के ने डाला था और तुमने डाला था.
Mount deserves it.
Bayern.
deserves
He's
I
played
think
well,
Mount,
but he's
Mount
nowhere
deserves
near.
it more than Mount deserves it more than Suchek, and I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why. Even Declan
this
Rice.
again.
I will throw
No,
this
but I'll
mic.
tell
Yeah,
you
can
why.
we get rid of this guy
Chelsea,
right now?
Chelsea have been horrible under Lampard, and in that Lampard era, Mount was the only positive. And
How many
throughout he's
games
been
has
carrying
Mount,
them.
Mount played?
he's played almost all
It's
of
just
the
that
games.
I'm
All
saying
of
that
them.
United
And then-
was
if not
terrible
all of
over
them.
the past
Under-
5
and then
seasons,
when
but
they-
you know what? Like one of the players played
That's
really
even-
well, so we'll put him in the top.
No, but none
10,
of your
just-
players have played
If
well.
he's played
If
almost
United's
all of the
player
games,
played
that's
well.
even worse that he didn't make that kind of impact for his
He
team.
did
He
make
has,
the impact.
that's the
He's
thing,
the
he
only
has
player
made
that
an
made the
impact.
impact.
Chelsea is not fighting for.
He's been good.
Chelsea-
लेकिन
I
मेरी
agree
list
with
में
you.
He has
Yeah,
been
yeah,
good.
yeah.
Look,
But
we-
he
we-
I
has-
know,
let's make
I
it-
know
yeah.
we're talking
They
about the
would've
Premier
come
League,
11th.
but Chelsea
Yeah,
is
I
is
agree.
almost
Mount is a very good player, not top 10.
Chelsea is
Not
He's
almost
top
in
10,
a
bro. He's top
very
10
good
this
player.
season.
Chelsea
I
is in
think
an FA
he's
Cup
more
semi-final,
important.
almost in a Champions League semi-final, and they're fourth.
Exactly.
And their top player by some distance.
Bakar,
has
we
missed.
don't-
No, and he had to fight
Okay.
for his position
And
for the new
I
manager.
just
And
like
he
to
proved
add-
the new manager
proved
wrong.
Football is not about almost; it's about winning. You know.
Yeah,
No,
but
it's
all
also
about
about
semi-final.
you haven't won anything this
Almost
season either.
Almost that, no.
No,
So,
football
yeah,
has a
please
story there, bro.
don't. Semi-final, whatever, we don't care.
Football has a story.
Next, please.
Next, please.
Chalo.
अच्छा,
What are you saying?
number 2. Who do you guys think? कौन होगा?
It has to be Bruno Fernandes
Fernandes,
because
yeah.
because
He's not,
I
he's
think
not in there yet.
that certain striker
Number 2
should
is
be.
I think it's gonna
Thank
be
God.
I think
God.
Harry Kane is going to be number 2.
Biased list.
No, it
Number
isn't.
2 is
Come
Bruno
on.
Fernandes.
Come
How is
on.
number 2 Bruno
How is
Fernandes?
Bruno
Good.
Fernandes
No,
number
no,
2?
no.
Who put him? What is it?
अच्छा, you had him at first. He had him at first. Sherry had him second. Essen had him second. Mani had him at 6th. Behram had him at 2nd. Zako had him at 4th. Tariq had him at 9th.
Tariq? 9?
What?
I like that. No, I like
ruined
that.
it.
Waleed had him at?
Waleed had him at 3rd. I had him at
I'm
Did
5th.
surprised you
anyone
put him
not
in the
have him?
list.
No, bro, I'm not
everyone
a
had
hater. ठीक
So
है, I
like
know.
him, like your cousin,
like him.
like Tariq, Mr. Ibrahimovic. Yeah,
I
think
cannot
it is
believe
Bruno-
it not being number
Look,
1.
Bruno Fernandes.
There's
is a
nothing
great
more
player.
a player can
first,
do to be number 1.
definitely first.
There's
Okay,
not, you
know,
can't.
okay,
let
I'll
me-
tell
let
you-
me-
I'll
let me-
tell you why this.
Let me give
Bruno
the United
Fernandes-
defense.
Look,
Let me give the United defense because most of you probably don't watch enough matches as I do. The yeah, United matches. You guys watch
Oh,
United
probably
matches?
not. For
Yeah.
good reason.
Occasionally.
Yeah, the thing with him is that okay, he's got the stats and you can say the penalties and all that, goals being assists are also there. But you need to understand how he elevated the team. And you know, that is one thing that goes so unnoticed. These guys, apart from Fernandes, were bottlers. We had put in 90 million Paul Pogba there for few years. ठीक है, you know, like
Football is all about
Yeah,
winning.
देखो-
You said that.
absolutely, absolutely.
सारे semi-final.
We're going to win a
that-
trophy.
On that point,
No,
on
they-
that,
they were
let me
first.
tell you
Let me
something.
finish.
For 2
Let me
weeks.
finish.
They
Let me
celebrated first for 2 weeks.
Yeah. Let me finish. Yeah. So getting the team from there, where we just lose everything. We had Pogba there. We'd spend money left, right, and center to get a player of this caliber around. And honestly, like it might be a compliment to Fernandes, but since Scholes, I have not seen someone in a United shirt that has the same level of impact. It is just because of him that we are on number 2. Not just because of stats, but because of how he elevates his players. Shaw is playing well.
and he
Everyone
wants
else
to
is
do
playing
well.
well. And you know Solskjaer, he's a good manager. but he's no tactical genius either. So getting everyone in line and getting them to the place they're at, you have to give him credit.
The reason
You
why
can't interrupt people.
The reason why I didn't rate him
Yeah.
highly this season, like he's been great and he's a great footballer,
Yeah.
especially for Portugal, is because I feel most of his hype and his performance has been carried over from last year. So when people think about his performance as in his impact,
Yeah.
they're still thinking back to when he originally signed in January.
Tarek, in this season,
And
he has
January-
the 5th best goals per
No, but
and
that's-
assists
listen,
together in
He does.
Europe's
He
top
does.
5
You know,
leagues.
I'll
In
give you an
Europe's top
example.
5 leagues.
You know,
He's
Eric
better than
Cantona.
Ronaldo.
Just, I'd like to add one
One
thing.
at a time.
I don't think the question is whether or not Bruno Fernandes is good. Everyone has him in top 3 or 4. It's whether or not Kane is better. Kane's had a fantastic season. He's high in the assists, he's high in the goals.
Bro, Kane पे आने दो, Kane
Yeah.
की बात करते हैं, अभी Bruno की बात.
Huh, abhi bro. Let me just say that perhaps more of an impact, like the most impact United players ever had, you guys know about this, is Eric Cantona, right?
Yeah.
And agreed, like I
Yeah,
think it's all around, like
for
that's
sure.
where it all started.
And we're talking about instant impact.
His
you come and you change
goals and
everything.
assists per game
No,
was somewhere around like 0.8, 9, something like that. Bruno has over 1, and he's been doing it for a year. You
No,
can't.
but the
He's not
difference-
injured.
That's why I'm
he's
saying
leading
it's
the
from,
team.
It's from last year, previous season, when he made an impact.
No,
No,
it's
but even this
consistently
season,
from-
he has
from-
11 assists.
consistent.
He's the highest assister.
I'm not saying
Listen,
I'm not
listen,
saying he
listen.
doesn't deserve to be there, but just in
He's
speaking
highest.
in terms of this list,
He's highest
who's
in
the
the
best
assists.
Premier League players
He's
this
highest
season?
in the assists.
I
He's the
just
top
felt like
scorer
there
of
were other
United.
players
United
Not
is
highest.
who were
second.
higher.
He is highest in
He's
assists.
8 players
Just
now.
check it right now.
No, but the thing is,
He has 11 assists.
Look,
He's
We
the
were
I
highest.
don't have
just,
anything
we were
against
just
Bruno.
speaking about
Listen.
speaking about leadership, right?
You see?
No, Bruno
He is
Fernandes
he is
has
There
a
you go.
natural.
100%.
There you go.
He's
Highest in
tied,
assists.
tied highest.
He's
with De Bruyne.
Bro, फिर अगला boy ने goals भी ज़्यादा मारे हैं,
देखो
तो-
ना।
किसने? किसने ज़्यादा मारे?
So let's go.
अच्छा नहीं एक second just
जो number 1 पे है ना.
Let's go to the.
नहीं,
Bro,
but
look
just
at it. And no,
He's
The problem-
16 goals.
bro, listen, that's
Kane
not.
scored 19.
yeah, also-
he has 11 assists to his name as well.
And how the- I mean, he does-
But bro,
Kane's
you
not even in
can't.
the top 10.
Bro, you can't even judge.
Assists. Yes.
What do you
he's
mean?
not even in the
He's
top
13. He's
10.
leading.
Kane.
Kane is 13th. He's
Number
leading.
1 पे है भाई.
नहीं है यार.
Kane
Oh,
is
damn.
13th. Kane is right there.
Okay, well.
Leading,
before we
leading by
move to
2
Kane.
assists, Harry Kane.
ऊपर
No,
नजर
but-
नहीं
no,
आता.
but no, but that's not. Listen.
Wait, no, hold on. Let me just make a point
No,
on Bruno before
Bruno's
we
fine.
move
But
to
his
Kane.
team's second as well.
Bro,
so you
listen,
gotta give him
let me-
marks for
let
that
me-
as well.
No, but that's
Listen,
Yeah,
listen.
okay.
I just don't think a single player in Bruno's position you can't do anymore. You
Yeah.
can't. He's done everything. Not only you have to take United as a team as well. Mostly, like you said, bottlers. He's a natural leader. A natural.
Yeah.
He's commanding people. He's yelling at them. He's transformed this team. Who I think everybody can look at their squad and their manager. Maybe
Coming
fifth
from
or sixth.
Sporting.
No, and
For fifth or sixth, and he's taken them in second.
Yeah.
And he's virtually dragging them, and he does not drop at all. Say
as-
the
as simple.
one who's first, and we'll discuss them both together.
First is obviously Kane, bro.
Okay, this is what you call it.
I think it's perfect. Harry
This
Kane
is a
should be
daylight
first. Harry
robbery.
Kane is the best player in the league, best striker in the world, better than Robert Lewandowski. I said it here.
Better than
bang,
Robert?
Bang, bang.
Better than
No, I'm
Ro-
serious. I'll tell you why. I'll
Who
tell you
invited
why.
this guy on stage? What
I'll
kind
tell
of
you why.
blasphemy is he
कौन है यार?
talking?
ये
Bro,
किसे खिलाई?
Calm down,
वापस जाओ
calm
F11.
down, calm down. I'll tell you before he starts. I'll tell you why Harry Kane deserves to be first.
Yeah.
Why deserves to be first. Harry Kane was always a great striker. ठीक है ना? He had amazing goals. England leading, scoring, everything. He was doing it all. This season, and Mourinho does this to strikers. I don't know what he does, but he has this knack of doing this to strikers. This season, he's assisting, he's making plays, he's creating chances, he's doing everything, and not just from in the D. He's doing it from the half line. He's dropping deep. He's
involved. He's involved in every play, 90 minutes. Not 1 minute goes by.
And that's not common for a tall striker, someone of his build. Usually, if someone of his build, they'll just stick out in the front, wait for the ball to come to them, maybe do a little holdback and all that. But he's changed his game completely, and he hasn't lost the goals as well. He's still scoring. Usually, when people do that, they then only do assists, but he's still scoring as well. And when Mujtaba just picked up the stats and he saw, he's on top in both. So that's totally amazing.
He's on track to beat Henry's record of 2020.
Exactly, and he deserves to be first.
I agree, but like I said, stats can be deceiving. And
Not stats, I just talked
no,
about
I know,
his
I
performance.
agree
I mean,
with
he's
that.
getting
But-
5
but-
assists
but-
in a
but-
game, but then he's
But you
losing
have
the
to
next
look,
one.
But we're looking at stats.
No, but
Yeah.
like you said,
Hold on,
it's a
like
team
it's-
game.
let me
Harry
just-
Kane
yeah.
can
Just
carry.
Waleed, wait.
Harry Kane can carry so much.
Let
He
me
can-
just
and
make
he's
this
still
point.
carrying this
Let me just
team.
make this point that What you said, I agree
Tottenham
with
is
all
no
of that.
Burnley, okay?
What's about wait a
You
second.
need to understand.
What I say, I agree with most of that, what you're saying, but also look at Tottenham's position in the league. Look at what difference Kane has made to Tottenham as a team itself. The numbers are there. But is he dragging Tottenham like Fernandes is dragging them?
Okay, so you're saying
He's high
so,
in assist and scoring rankings.
but
What
he's
more
gained
can you
six.
get?
So the
so
stats
what
are
is
there.
it?
You can compare the stats.
So look,
the stats are
take,
similar. Hold on.
if you take away both of the stats, right? If you don't have Bruno stats or Harry Kane stats, if you just look at how they play and you don't look at the stats, Harry Kane takes it easily.
Easily.
The only reason
Definitely.
Bruno's near there is because of the stats.
I don't know what.
Such
I don't know
a-
what have you been watching.
No, you
But-
can't say easily. Based off of what?
No,
They've not.
definitely.
Off of watching. How many times have you watched Spurs
Not at
play
all.
this season?
No, listen.
How
the
many
only
times?
reason I have the guts and
अभी आज
this
होगा ना
mental
match,
energy to
देख
watch
लेते हैं
United
8:30
is because of
बजे.
Bruno
Hang on,
Fernandes.
hang on.
ओए ओए शुरू
Hey,
हो
ask
गया
them.
है.
hang on.
आज है?
Can I just make one last point on what he said, Kate, dragging the player. Tottenham are in 6th not because of Harry Kane's lack of dragging. He's not
Sure.
a defender.
Yeah.
Bruno Fernandes is also not a defender. So you can't say that the reason they're second and because they have such amazing defensive capabilities this season is because Bruno Fernandes was dragging them. Bruno Fernandes is also not a defender. So you can't say that the reason they're second and because they have such amazing defensive capabilities this season is because Bruno Fernandes was dragging them.
No, but you saw United as a.
100%.
It wasn't just Bruno Fernandes. Maguire's been playing excellent.
Rashford,
Wan
bro,
Bissaka-
Rashford.
No, I'm talking about
Come
the
on.
defenders.
Luke Shaw has been a
Luke
revelation.
Shaw has been amazing. So you can't.
Luke Shaw-
you can't,
shout out Luke
you
Shaw,
can't
I say.
attribute that kind of defensive performance, keeping clean sheets, to Bruno Fernandes only. The same way I wouldn't attribute Loris's clean sheets to Harry Kane's.
I don't think there's a lot of players like Harry Kane in the world right now. In general, it's really hard to find good number 9s. You know, tall players who are good in the air, good on the ground, who'll score a lot of goals. And then to find a player like that who'll drop back, also play passes from midfield, get assists, there's none. They don't exist.
Bro, I'd like to add to that as well. In the world की बात हो रही थी ना.
Midfielder कितने हैं?
ना.
Who scored like
Bro,
the
there
amount
are.
Bruno does? Who
There are-
assists
but
the
let me,
amount
hey,
Bruno
let
does?
me, let me, let, but it's not about Bruno Fernandes. It's about Harry Kane. Let's give Harry Kane the respect he deserves in this number 1 spot.
He has all
ठीक है,
respect.
listen. Harry Kane, for me, why I said this season is better than Robert Lewandowski is because I'll tell you why. No. I'll tell you why. Harry Kane. No, Robert Lewa can do all what Harry Kane's doing. By the way, Lewa has been a false 9 and been doing
He's
all
been
that
doing
stuff.
that for years.
No, I know, but he hasn't been doing it recently in this Bayern team. Why? Because he hasn't needed to, right?
They just
No,
won the treble.
Listen,
dude.
because they're two.
Detracting from
No, but I'm telling you.
Kane.
No, I know. I'm getting back to Harry Kane. I'm telling you, Lewa hasn't needed to do that. ठीक है? And in Poland, if you watch Poland play in the recent qualifiers and stuff, he's been doing that. But in the Bayern season, compared to Kane this season, there's no comparison. Like Harry Kane is literally carrying that team. He's doing all of what Lewa does. False 9 role, complete to the.
I can't believe you're comparing Lewandowski, who's been doing it for a decade,
Bro, this
to
season,
Harry
I'm
Kane.
talking about
Let's
this
keep
season.
non-prem players out of
Champions
it.
This
And
hey,
this
hello,
dude
this season
who lost 2 years ago.
This season,
Come
this
on.
season. All I'm saying is this season, Harry Kane is the best striker in the
Ek
world.
minute.
This
Which
season.
other
Ek minute,
midfielder
ek minute,
scores
ek
the
minute.
goals?
Mujhda,
Fernandes, yeah.
Sadi,
Yeah.
Arsenal fan.
Exactly, मैं यही
Where
कहने
did you
लगा
have- where did you
Arsenal
have Harry
fan हूँ,
Kane?
it's difficult for me to say it, लेकिन I had him at second.
Bruno
Gundogan
Fernandes
first
or
था
Harry
मेरा.
Kane?
लेकिन इसमें I completely agree. He should be the best player in the Premier League.
I mean, you know, it's very close, so it's
Yes,
subjective.
I agree. It's close.
It's close.
But you have to take
But
into
it
account
comes
how
down
their
to
teams are
opinions
doing.
because both of them are excellent players. Yeah, but
we've seen Tottenham without Kane and we've seen
Yeah.
United without Fernandes, and you can really see where the
Yeah.
difference lies. Kane has been amazing, but when
he's not
Tottenham has
playing
been
with
down,
bums. You know, you
when
need to
Tottenham has been
understand
down,
that.
Kane has been down too. When United
Yeah.
has been down,
Oh,
Fernandes has
Kane-
been the
Yeah.
only shining star.
Kane only has Son and Bale.
You act like there's no other players in
Bale-
the United team. Have you seen the United team?
Rashford,
Come on.
Martial.
These guys, Martial, really this season?
Not this season.
Injured.
Not- not this
Luke
season.
Shaw's having a
Then
season.
Pogba-
Maguire's
hey,
having a
Pogba,
season.
by the way,
Rashford's
hey,
having a
Pogba-
season.
Pogba's not around.
But when Pogba has played in December, Pogba
When
carried your
Pogba
team.
has played,
Bro,
when, that is the
Bro,
question
in
here.
December,
When?
Pogba carried your team. Bruno
Come
Fernandes
on,
wasn't
Bruno.
performing.
Pogba carried our team.
December, go check December.
Bruno
Yes,
Fernandes
he's
has
a
not
good
been
player.
only the best player this year. He's been the best player since he's joined United. He's been the best player in the league by some distance. This
Kevin
year,
De
I agree.
Bruyne- Kevin De Bruyne doesn't play golf.
This season, Harry Kane and Fernandes, you can make an argument there who's better, but not. I believe it's Fernandes. But
Yeah.
you've seen them without when their teams are doing poorly. You've seen the impact they've made on their clubs. You've seen the numbers
Yeah.
are close. Fernandes brings so much more to United than
How
Tottenham
can you-
does.
Yeah.
Look, I admit Fernandes, his like energy and everything has turned this team around. But how can you say that Harry Kane, because they're sixth, he's not doing the same drag work that Fernandes
That's not
is
what I'm
doing.
saying. I'm not saying at all it's about the drag thing. You made a fair point about the defenders and everything and how it's a team thing. I'm just saying that when Tottenham as a team, and they've had a lot of down moments this season, disappointing performances, and Kane has been absent in those performances.
लेकिन Old
But-
Trafford पे 6-1.
Agreed.
Where was Bruno? Where was Kane?
जानी
You
point अच्छा मारा
you can't make the exception the rule here.
Bro, listen, one more
United
thing.
के जो 2-3 bad
When
games
they came head to head, who came out on top? आज 6-1 Old Trafford पे खाना है.
खैर है, हो जाता है.
क्या बोल रहा है?
what he was saying was that we all agree Van Dijk has transformed Liverpool since he's joined.
Van
right?
Dijk कहाँ से आ
No,
गया?
I'm just giving you an example.
Obsessed.
So when you say na,
Obsessed. Van Dijk living rent free. Rent free.
so sometimes
Two-bedroom apartment up there.
sometimes these anomalies of results happen and these players sometimes don't perform amazingly. You can be like, you can make that argument then, but that does not mean Bruno Fernandes. We've seen United without him. We've seen United with him.
I mean,
No one's saying Bruno's bad.
I don't think a
He's
player
just
can do
behind
anything
Kane.
else except what he's done.
Kane क्या करे और? और करे क्या?
केन की ये जो इतने करीब टॉटनहम की गेम्स होती हैं जो वो एक गोल से
Yeah.
हारी हैं
Hey, listen,
केन
listen,
उनमें
listen.
कुछ कर सकते
No, no, no,
हैं
wait.
उनका डिफेंस देखा है तुमने? एरिक डायर उनकी डिफेंडर है भाई और येर के साथ खेलते हैं वो.
टॉटनहम की स्क्वाड बुरी नहीं है ना उनकी डिफेंस स्क्वाड बुरी है
नहीं,
टॉटनहम
उनकी-
हैव टू
उनका
प्लेयर्स एवरी
defense
पोजीशन
बहुत बुरा है इस
यू
season.
कैन टॉटनहम हैव अ
उनका
बेटर स्क्वाड
defense
देन
इस season
यूनाइटेड
बहुत
Bro,
बुरा है.
listen, no, they don't.
better squad than
United
Tottenham
नहीं,
don't have
United
Tottenham
have a better
don't have a
they
better
do.
squad.
Yes, they
And
do.
secondly,
No way.
you
Tottenham
talk
have a
about, listen,
huge squad,
hey,
dude.
did you watch last week's games? Did you?
Yeah.
Did you watch the Newcastle game?
Yeah.
that was
Huh?
said with
Spurs.
much
So
confidence.
what?
Yeah.
What's the
No, no,
point?
Convincing yes I've ever
ये-
seen.
इसकी इंस्टा स्टोरी खोलो क्या कर रहा था?
What's
No, I
the
don't know.
point?
Listen,
Yeah.
Kane scored 2 goals
Yeah.
last week.
Yeah.
Yeah.
2 goals, right?
Yeah.
Good for
2-0 up.
Yeah.
2-0 up.
Yeah, I
They
hear
draw
you.
2-2. Spurs draw 2-2. Whose fault is that?
You
Why?
know,
Whose fault is
I'd
that?
like
Was
to
it
say
Kane's
that Waleed
fault?
is just
उनका
saw
सौ-
that.
नहीं उनकी
No,
डिफेंस
That's
डिफेंस
not the
बाकी
point
shit है.
anyone's making.
Bro, you
Yeah.
just said that Kane isn't doing enough. What more does a guy have to do? If I
In
score
that
2 goals
game-
in a game,
in that
I have to
game-
rely on
listen,
my
You're
listen.
making it sound
In
like
that
he's a
game-
bum. He's playing.
In that game, Kane has done enough.
Yeah.
But when it's 0-0, but it's had been many times for Tottenham,
Yeah.
and I'm just saying sometimes.
Stat
Because
padding
in those
master.
same games,
5 assists in a
Fernandes
game.
has come through, and that's what separates them.
Anyways, bucket number 1 कौन है होता था?
Follow Barrett,
and
okay?
it's easy, but we need silence for this.
तारिक number 1 कौन था?
Harry Kane.
Harry Kane.
Kane.
Sir Harry Kane.
Fernandes for sure.
There you have it. Majority वैसे Kane दो मुस्तफा और बकर ने ब्रूनो number 1 किया था, वलीद और जकुन ने Kane number 1 किया था. बाकी I had him at second, Tariq had him at second, Mani had him at second, Sherry had him at fourth.
असल में ना
शेरी-
मसला ये
शेरी
टॉटनहम का
उड़ेन
कोई
दो।
फैन नहीं है
हाँ फिर भी everyone
तो वो
had-
बायस नहीं मिलता ना ब्रूनो
Yeah, बेचारा.
जो बेचारा he gets hated on because he's
Anti-United
United
Oh, he
fans.
doesn't like me.
anti-United
Hey,
propaganda
right here.
Yeah.
Arsenal fan. He hates Kane. But
Kane. Yeah,
He
I'm
hates
biased
United
and-
more.
And मैं
I hate
एक और
Spurs
बात
more.
बताऊं?
Spurs
No.
I hate Spurs more.
Can I just say
obviously.
one more thing?
Yeah.
I hate Harry Kane. I hate that. But still, you gotta give it to him.
no, you have to. Man.
अच्छा बस ठीक है ना boys. This is it. This ending this is it guys. This is it. Like and subscribe. Bye bye.